Okay, guys, we will continue. Now, the question is, how do we do it? The first video actually tells you why do you need to do it. The second one is about how do we do it. Yeah, how do we do it? Now, doing internal analysis, we require to look into four different perspectives. Four different perspectives. Okay? Now, we're going to deal with this one by one. The first perspective is the management capabilities. Amin need to look into his own or his team managerial capabilities. Now, a lot of you have learned Management 101. I hope you still remember what Management 101. The function of management. What are the function of management? Anybody? Ingat tak? Do you actually remember what is the function of management? The PLOC, the planning, leading, organizing, and controlling. Yeah. So the function of management comprises PLOC. But then again, why do we need to look into the ability of the PLOC? Now, the first thing Amin need to ask himself, his team, is that what is the quality of our planning? When we plan, do we have the competency? Do we have the skill? Do we have the knowledge to do our planning? Is our planning watertight? Is the planning almost accurate? Is the data that we're getting in a good data? Alright? So, the first question that we need to look into is the planning capability. This is still fall under the first one, management. So, planning capability. If you do not have the ability to plan, then you might be planning for failure. What is planning for failure? Imagine if you are actually driving a car and you plan to actually drive to katalah Taiping in about 2.5 hours. You know that okay, 2.5 hours at maximum, 130 kilometers an hour, right? You think that is the best plan because you need to arrive in 2.5 hours. But you didn't know that along the way there's a lot of speed trap. Yeah, sampai-sampai you kena 5 or 6 summons. That is planning for failure. You plan, but you did not take into consideration what's happening outside because you do not have the skill to plan. So Amin need to ask himself, aku ni okay ke aku punya planning skill? Am my planning skill is okay or not? Do I have the data or not? Am I targeting about katakan 10,000 pieces online is actually something that is achievable? Can my people do it? The planning stage. Then you need to know, okay, who will do what? And who will do what, ataupun the structure of the business goes back to the second one, organizing. Although kalau dalam PLOC, planning, leading, organizing, controlling, but then again, I'm going to touch you, I'm going to actually share with you, start from planning, then organizing dulu. After you plan, you organize the resources. You need to understand what is the structure that, the best structure. What would be the best structure for you to plan? For you to actually execute your plan. Right? Are you going to divide your team into kitchen, service, packing? So, how do you do it? Because you plan to actually sell about 3 to 4,000 stick a day. Right? Tapi kalau katakan you letak orang bungkus 2 orang saja, and then there is stream of orders coming in, do you think that you will be able to cope? And people are only willing to wait 20 to 25 minutes. Right? You need also to understand that, okay, you plan is not just about the packing. You need to also to understand about your ability to deal with your partners. GrabFood, Bungkus Seat, Panda. Right? And do you have that strategic partnership ready? Because you need to organize all the resources. Kalau you tak organize, you will not be able to fulfill what you plan. Yeah? Poor planning kalau poor planning is planning to fail. Poor planning prevent performance. So when you plan, you need to also organize. You need to ensure that the plan is actually executed well. You cannot to plan and not actually develop how are you going to play the plan, how are you going to execute the plan. So organize the people, organize, letakkan daging dekat mana, sekarang ni dah bungkus, everything is actually tapau, take away. Now you need to know which is which. The business design need to be changed. The way people work need to change as well. Right? So you organize. First you plan, then you organize. Right? What is your organizing capabilities? Satu tadi planning capability, organizing capability. Right? The next one is leading. Now, you can organize, but then again, if people do not work, right? People do not work. Do you think it will happen? Leading is about influencing your people to do what you aspire. You want to do takeaway, let's say you nak buat dalam 3,000 sticks takeaway. You must communicate. You must influence them. Look, this is what we need to do. Kalau kita tak buat, kita boleh bankrupt. We still need to pay for the rent. We need to pay for the loan. Kalau kita tak buat business, kita tak dapat duit. Right? Because why? You can have all the best machine, best processes, but people make it happen. People make it happen. Yeah? If you don't have people, that's it. Semua tergendala. Okay, leading. Then Amin ask himself, aku ni in terms of my leadership capability, okay ke? How I communicate people, how I influence people, okay ke? Do I have that capabilities? Kalau tak ada, what should I do? Now, after that, it's about controlling. This is POLC. PLOC. Now, controlling. What does controlling means? Bila you plan, you need to know plan you berjaya atau tidak. You need to understand that, okay, now we are targeting about releasing 3,000 sticks in 3 hours of our businesses. Now, first hour berapa, second hour berapa, third hour berapa. You need to have milestone. You need to have controlling methodology. You need to have the apa kita panggil ways to actually drive your business. Kalau kita naik kereta, how the control is through the steering wheels. Kita ada meter kat situ, kita boleh nampak berapa kilometer sejam kita bawa. Kita ada brake dekat bawah, kita ada accelerator kat bawah. So in business the same thing. You need to understand that okay, now doing business, how do I control my plan? How do I control my businesses? Should I set the KPI? Right? So you need to answer this question tadi tu. Question perspektif number 1 ataupun cluster number 1, management, POLC atau PLOC, is about your internal capabilities. The management team internal capability. Boleh ke tak boleh? Are we capable or we not capable? That is the first analysis that we need to look into.